Hey guys, Fishing Brothers team here today. We're gonna check some jug lines. We have just some noodles with a string of like 1 foot to 2 foot a hook and some chicken liver. And we've caught a 16-pound blue in a pond that shouldn't have blue cats. And we caught a 7.5-pound channel cat. And then we caught another channel cat. That's what they look like. But we're gonna go check this one way out there. There should be 2 more.
It wasn't as big as I thought.
I didn't feel no time. Check if you can pull them out.
Small.
Yeah.
It's a good channel.
Yeah, it was good, but I was expecting bigger.
Oh no, it wasn't moving that much when we came at it, so. Stupid stick though. Ain't a bad channel cat.
Yeah,
The other 2 were a lot bigger though. Alright guys, so we just got some chicken liver from the grocery store. We're putting it on a hook here. It's a steel hook, 3/0. I actually believe it's 4/0. Nylon rope. And then a noodle. You put the chicken liver on good. Because usually when you cast chicken liver, it can fall off without using some method. But we are also only just tossing it out, so. It's about where we caught that 16-pound blue.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to catch a 40-pound blue. I feel like there might be some 30s in here, honestly. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, how's it going? See, we've been setting out a lot of jug lines. Something different. It's usually bass fishing. We caught 4 this morning. Nice ones too. I mean, we got that one was almost 5, and the rest were 2 to 3 pounds. And we're gonna be showing you guys how to fillet it and cook it. I'm pretty sure I did one with crappie and it wasn't the best video, but it's gonna be a lot better. So. Get right into it. Start at an angle right after the rib cage here, so you know how to cut out the rib cage. So you get a good cut there, and then you get to the top, and you're gonna get a good top cut here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it 2 different ways. This is Dayton's way, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it my way. I think my way gets a little more meat, but you know. Because he's missing all that meat right there, in my opinion.
Oh, just give me a minute.
I'm going to show you an easier way, dude. The skin off, you got all this meat right here. This is not a bad way, but I'll show you guys another way to do it too on the other catfish. You're just going to get that meat right off. Oh, I should just do the other side. It might look like you missed a lot of meat right here, but you actually really didn't, because that's all rib cage. You can't even eat that anyways. You gotta get that tail meat.
Yeah,
that's nothing. Just Alright, I'll show you guys how to do it my way now on the other side. Alright guys, so what you guys want to start out, you guys want to have some foil, seasoning, vegetable oil, lemon or lime or both. And I like to have some shrimp seasoning, and then your fish obviously. Get out about 12 to 15 inches. Foil. So you put your fillet. Start out with Zach's fillet. It's terrible.
not the greatest fillet, as you can see.
Because Zach did it. You get 1 teaspoon
Oh, the biggest fillet there, yeah, that's mine.
of vegetable oil. Put some seasoning on it. As much or little as you want. Let's put it on after it's
Put some
cooked
lime
too.
on there. Since I'm gonna be the only one eating it.
Squirt some lime. You want lemon?
Sure, just a little bit.
Lemon. And what you do? Take this, fold the sides like a burrito. Fold like that, and so it doesn't get burnt on the fire. Well,
So more like a cheeseburger.
Yeah. This will be Zach's. So another fillet here.
This will sit on the fire for like 20 minutes.
This one's mine. So I don't like a lot of vegetable oil. We'll put a little on it. I like a lot of shrimp seasoning. Make sure you get it pretty much covered. I'll put some other seasoning on it. I like lime, but I don't like lemon that much, but I still like a little. I just want to put a little more. This is like, if I was going to jail or like someone said what would be your last meal, it'd be fish.
Yeah.
Dan's gonna do his.
I'm gonna try. Oh.
Quite a bit of vegetable oil, but that's
You
alright.
might like that.
Hey man, yeah.
I usually like mine deep fried, but I don't feel like deep frying big fillets. So I don't feel like cutting them up either.
Or you just can't, you suck at batters.
That's garlic and herb. It's pretty good. It doesn't make a lot of spice or seasoning, but you could also put salt and pepper.
This is
I
my
forgot-
favorite seasoning, honestly. I put it on a lot of stuff.
Freaking amazing. I put it on pizza. I literally put it on everything. I put lime freaking almost on everything too. Lemon and it's alright. I like lime better though. Oh, got a little squirt on there.
Let's just double this up.
That stuff's really good too.
Alright.
Alright guys, so what you guys want to do?
Yeah.
So you don't want to put it exactly in the fire. You want to get it in the coal of the fire. And you want to keep it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Put like yours like right under there.
It's in the fire.
15 to 20 minutes. So next, when you guys are all gone, you go to the pond and you go catch more.